quality. That simple word has such significance. But quality must be safeguarded, not only in a company's DNA, but also in the product. At Rijkswaan, we sell seeds of more than 1,000 varieties from 28 different crops. Those seeds are exposed to almost every conceivable condition that can occur in nature. In terms of temperature, humidity, varying light conditions, diseases, and soil types. So how do we safeguard product quality? By continuously checking that the seeds we produce meet the high expectations that both we and our customers all over the world have of them. Every seed, every variety, every crop, and every day. One of the places our seeds are checked is at the Seed Quality Center, the SQC. We work with state-of-the-art processes and a robust workflow. Besides that, we invest a lot of effort in the quality of our testing activities themselves. Because each of Rijkswaan's varieties or crops has its own unique traits, it also follows its own route through 3 fundamental segments to safeguard those traits. The quality of our seed is tested in these 3 essential steps. First of all, we test the quality of the seed itself. This gives us a good indication of the overall state of the product that we're selling, and we can also use this information to manage our stock. After all, it is a natural product. The seed undergoes a number of basic tests. The germination strength of the seed is then tested in a unique process. The seed's vigor may be tested in optimal conditions or in stress conditions, such as seeing how the seed performs in a cold climate. At Rijkswaan, we believe it's important to conduct tests under real-life conditions. This means we leave the seed to germinate a couple of days longer than normal, for example. And we're also better able to recreate situations that our growers experience in practice. We sometimes also take soil samples from growers so that we can give them tailor-made advice based on our employees' expertise. This is where we test for the absence of pathogens. We test 20,000 batches of seeds each year and have 50 different test protocols. It's a labor-intensive and hands-on process in which there is no compromise on quality. Molecular biology, or in this case DNA diagnostics, involves DNA profiling and testing for variety purity. Is the variety really what you think it is? Which aubergine types will the offspring of this plant produce? And which possible diseases might this seed encounter? In other words, does the seed profile match the expectations? Thanks to the latest techniques, we can quickly obtain answers to all of these questions. We analyze the profile of the parental line so that we can predict the profile of the offspring. No matter which route a seed takes through these processes, quality is always the top priority. If we discover any problems, we always launch a thorough investigation, and the whole process starts over once more. Our employees take pride in their work and are continuously in close contact with the customers. They regularly visit customers' facilities to gain knowledge and implement findings. They also work in close collaboration with one another to further improve the processes and to develop new tests, some of which are even unique. This ensures that our product quality is guaranteed, both now and in the future.